Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking more about green engineering, and we're going to be exploring renewable energy technologies. So first of all, what is green engineering? Green engineering is a niche part of engineering that focuses on designing and implementing sustainable solutions to environmental challenges. Renewable energy technologies harness naturally replenishing resources to generate power, and this presentation is going to explore various renewable energy technologies and their benefits. So first of all, we have solar panels. One of the more obvious and well-known renewable energy techniques. Solar power uses photovoltaic cells to convert sunlight directly into electricity. And solar panels are increasingly affordable and efficient, making solar power a viable option for many. Solar power, most importantly, solar power reduces reliance on fossil fuels, reduce, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting energy independence. A closer look on how solar cells work will expose how photons from sunlight strike the solar cells, which get converted, which, which get converted into energy from the free electrons that accumulate in the silicon. An external circuit will allow electrons to flow and creating an electrical current. Next up, we have wind power. Again, a more obvious and well-known renewable energy technique. It harnesses the kinetic energy of wind to generate electricity. They have advanced technology that allows for efficient energy production, which allows wind power to be clean and renewable, an energy source that helps combat climate change and also creates local job opportunities. A closer look on how wind power works will reveal several different parts, including rotor blades, gearbox, is a generator, and a transformer, which take the kinetic energy from the wind, convert it to electricity, and send it through the switchyard and into the power grid, where it can be stored or used. Hydropower. Hydropower utilizes the energy of flowing water to generate electricity. Large-scale hydropower plants provide a stable and reliable source of renewable energy, which also reduces dependence on fossil fuels, provides flood control, and supports irrigation systems. Like the other renewable energy techniques, it reduces dependence on fossil fuels. Next, we have geothermal energy. It is less well known as compared to the previous techniques, but it utilizes the heat from the Earth's core to generate electricity instead of burning or going chemical processes to release greenhouse gases. Geothermal power plants, because of this, geothermal power plants have a small environmental footprint and operate reliably throughout the year. The geothermal energy will not fluctuate as much as, say, wind or hydropower would, or solar. Geothermal energy is renewable, emission-free, and can be used for both electricity generation and heating through the use of combined heat and energy, a technology that, instead of separating the heat and energy, combines them and sends them into a power grid. Biomass energy is the next technique, which uses organic materials such as agricultural waste or wood pellets to produce heat or electricity. Biomass power plants help reduce waste and greenhouse gas emissions by utilizing organic matter that would otherwise decompose. However, biomass also collects the gases released and uses that for heat. And then the burning of biomass itself creates energy, again utilizing both heat and energy for power. Because of this, biomass energy can provide a reliable and sustainable source of energy in rural areas. Biomass can be made from any organic material that can be burned without overly noxious gases that can still be processed. In rural areas, this would be like clippings of any kind or waste feed for animals. Next, we have tidal energy. Tidal energy harnesses the power of ocean tides to generate electricity, similar to hydropower plants. However, tidal power plants are put in the open water instead of just near rivers or sources of flowing water. Tidal power plants are predictable and provide a constant source of renewable energy, as we can accurately predict the coming and going of tides, which are caused by the moon. Because of this, tidal energy has a minimum environmental impact and can greatly contribute to energy diversification. So instead of simply utilizing the most well-known renewable energy techniques as shown before, this can help diversify the energy produced, but still be green and clean. Looking at the advantages of renewable energy, there are multiples. For one, renewable energy techniques reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change, which are the primary motivation for using renewable energy. However, renewable energy sources are also abundant and will never run out, which is why they are called renewable, as they can be replenished within a short period of time, as opposed to non-renewable energy, which is usually not clean and will take roughly millions of years to be replenished. Gas, oil, and petroleum are examples of non-renewable energy, which are made from fossils and will take millions of years before they can be used again. As of right now, the modern world is quickly using up its source of non-renewable energy and will be forced to transition to renewable energy. However, renewable energy technologies create job opportunities and stimulate economic growth, which is helpful in addition to having a continuous supply and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Finally, we have potential challenges and our future outlook on renewable energies. First of all, the intermittent nature of renewable energy resources requires efficient energy storage solutions. Without efficient energy storage solutions, we cannot realistically hold and keep the energy that we create. Additionally, the initial cost of implementing these technologies can be high, although they pay off in the long run. Continued research and development are necessary to improve efficiency and the affordability of renewable energy technologies. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more about this topic, you can feel free to comment below or go into the description for further research from sources on the internet and credible magazines and journals that we will provide, such as MIT Tech Review. Again, thank you for watching.